Hi, this is Rodley from LemTask. In this video, we're answering a simple question. Is super productivity worth using in 2026? Let's look at who it works best for and who might want something similar. So this is Super Productivity's homepage. For those who don't know, it's just that it's quite different, guys, to be truly honest, from other productivity management tools that you guys usually sign up, usually log in. Here, you don't do that. There is a web app, and you get to download it for free, and it's built inside. It's just an app that just goes into your laptop. So once you download it or appear on your laptop, then it will automatically link your Google from where you downloaded it, so everything is quite safe and okay. The link is down in the description. Just wanted to make you guys know. Super productivity works best for people who like tracking, people who want to see how much time a task take, people who enjoy efforts, patterns, and productivity data. If your time awareness helps you work better, then this tool fits well. It gives you a structure, visibility into how much time you spent in your day. So they have a lot of good features. Some have been recently updated today. Some couple of new features have just been installed today. I'll just tell you a couple of those. So you have some today. You have your inbox, you have your planner, you have your schedule, you have your boards, which is where you can find your Canva board. You have your habits. This is where actually you can also add habits on certain days you want. You have your project list if you want a project file and put all your things in one place and on certain categories you can. And then you have your tags whereby you can rate certain tasks into your priorities, knowing which one is where actually. This tool may not suit everybody. If you prefer fast task caption, minimal setup, and starting working without tracking every minute, super productivity can feel heavy. For those users, a similar execution focused tool feels more natural. So I'm just gonna make some couple of three examples, how it works. The new features are added by right here. You can the plus signs at the top, and if you want to enhance focus or you just want to start your time, you can. So I'm just gonna play right here. Just press the add sign, and I just want us to write three tasks that we are literally about to do today. Things that you know that you have to complete and you have to do. You just install the dates, which is today. You can also put the time if you want to. This is a high priority. I'm just going to estimate it's going to take an hour. Then I'm just going to add like that. So once you have added your task, you can see that in your today section is literally where everything that you have to do today is there. Having a meeting, everything has been scheduled properly, and estimating remaining is 3 hours. So yeah, that's perfectly up because we gave each our task an hour. Then if you go to your inbox, if you schedule things or if you don't schedule maybe dates and times, but everything stays in your inbox, it's all about you just putting it properly on where it's about to go. And your tags play a very high role. For me, since I added a high, it represents high priority for me, meaning that the most important things that are high, I just get here and I see, okay, these are the high things that I have to do. These are high priorities that I have to take care of. Then I exit them immediately because I wouldn't have put them in this section if they were not important. So they open up enough time for me to be clear and to attend them properly. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly. You pick one task, you start working, and your focus stays protected. No pressure tracking everything. This is LemTask homepage. If you guys don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you have clicked in, you just get into a website, you just click get for free. You just put in your name, email, and password, and you create an account. This is LemTask's dashboard. Right in front of you, LemTask has a lot of good features that helps you maintain your productivity, knowing type of things that you are going to do, and measuring how much have you been doing, your momentum. There's a whole lot of great things, guys, that literally helps you stay on track of your task in a much simpler way. As you can see, this is how I stay track of my progress of my tasks in LemTask because the dashboard shows me everything I need to know, even if the personal records of my tasks that I've done. So I'm just going to go to Braindome and I'm just going to make for you an example of actually how do I schedule my tasks here at LemTask. I use this beautiful feature called the Start Voice. It actually helps a lot by me just using my voice to schedule everything that I need to do. Having a meeting today with my CEO. So once that is done, what I do is I just extract it. I just add my time. I just add a priority, low, medium, high, and I just put it into my folder. So I just add the time, I just choose a priority. And since I do have a list whereby all my things stay in, I'm just going to put it in there so that I can be extra safe. Then I just add it right there. Then that's how I schedule my task here at them task. Then I go into my list right here, that is vibes. Once I'm here, as you can see, having a meeting with my CEO today has been already scheduled out. That's how it's done. Once the time hits for me to start my task, I start when I'm once I'm done, I just give it a tick and I execute it like this. And this is how execution looks like at LemTask. All of my tasks that I have executed looks like this, showing that I have completed them and I have done. So, is super productivity worth it in 2026? Yes, for some people who value time tracking and insights, it's powerful when used with intention. But if simplicity and momentum matters more to you, a lighter workflow may be better choice for you. The best tool is the one that supports how you actually work.